Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Microsoft SQL Server. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Microsoft SQL Server? MS SQL Server or Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database management system or RDBMS developed by Microsoft. A relational database is based on a relational model architecture. The data is organized in tables or relations, and the tables are related to each other. Each table has rows and columns or attributes. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Microsoft SQL Server is all about. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.